Hi, Dan Williams here. It's time for your Borrow Smart 2 Minute Tuesday. But before I get to that, I want to share with you my book, Borrow Smart, Repay Smart. This book is available to you at no cost. All you need to do is send me an email at daniel@sandiegolending.us, and I'll get a copy out to you in the mail. No problem. Today on our 2 Minute Tuesday, which will probably be a little bit longer than 2 minutes, I want to talk about the rule of 72. And this is an amazing rule in finance where you take 72, you divide that into your rate of return, your appreciation rate, inflation rate, whatever you want to measure. And that's how long it's going to take in years for you to double. So the reality is with hard assets such as real estate, increase consistently during times of inflation. And housing is a great example of that. We also have the imbalance between supply and demand with housing. Demand is outpacing supply, as you know. And so what I want to encourage you is to evaluate your housing expense. So the rental markets, let's take a look at this. If you're currently renting and you see rental rates going up 4% a year, and I see that easily in the future, you divide 72 divided by 4, and in 18 years, your rent will double. So just imagine that for a second. You're renting at $3,000 a month, 4% increase over time, increase per year over time. Your rent will double in 18 years. Now, if you're a renter, that's not good. But if you're a landlord, that's a beautiful thing because you're most likely in a fixed rate mortgage. So let's look at you as the homeowner. So as a homeowner, inflation or appreciation is going to help increase the amount of equity you have in the home. So if your appreciation rate is 6%, you divide that into 72, your home's going to double in 12 years. So very cool thing as a homeowner, let's say your home's worth $750,000. In 12 years, that will be worth $1.5 million. Awesome. The exciting part to me is what happens that second doubling. That home goes from 1.5 million to 3 million. So if you're a homeowner, count on your home doubling and then doubling again. Let's just be conservative and say in 30 years. So the beauty of the fixed rate mortgage in this case is your housing expense is not going to increase at all related to the mortgage and what you owe. The value of the home is going to continue to go up and go up quickly. So what's our action steps here? With times of inflation, you want to be invested in hard assets and equities. I'm not giving you any investment advice, no specific advice, but those asset classes have performed well over the years during times of inflation. Eliminate debt for a handful of reasons, but this allows you to free up cash flow to go back to step A, which is invest more. And then like I talked about with your home, your housing expense never going up with a fixed rate mortgage. The beauty of inflation is your wages are going to go up over time, but your housing expense is not going to go up over time. So this is our 2 Minute Tuesday. That's a little bit longer, but I just wanted to share with you the amazing rule of 72. If you have any questions, just let me know. Once again, my email address is daniel@sandiegolending.us.